it went down. Just a little bit.
It's okay, honey.
I want to hear him cry.
He's not crying. We don't want him to cry, huh?
I want to hear you,
we
my
don't want you to
love.
cry, huh?
Hello there.
Let me pick him up.
Tio's going to be so excited. Yes. Then your daddy can see this online.
Perfect. Thank you.
We don't want any mean Okay? You comfortable?
Yes, thank you so much.
You just watch it. I might have to turn his oxygen up a little bit while you're holding him.
Okay.
But it's just not really picking up well.
Hi, baby. Hi, dear. Hi, dear. You like this better, huh? It's not that big old thing on your face. I know it. I know it. Hi, dear. Hi, Mama. Hi. Hi. Hi, dear. Mom, that's not nice what you're doing to me. I know. Hi, dear. I'm trying to look at you, Mom. I'm trying. My mouth, I don't like that you're doing that. They're big. He's going to be a chunker.
Oh, my goodness.
Why are you guys talking about me?
Cheek. Oh, he's so little.
Like
Mama's
little.
got a big old hand.
Hey.
I know.
What are you
Mama's
guys
got a
doing to
big
me?
hand.
Yesterday I kept having to cover his hand because he kept hitting it, and that's what was happening. He would